Hello, my name is Allison Kostiak. Before you enter my ePortfolio website, I would like to give you a guided tour to help you efficiently navigate through my site. This ePortfolio allows me to share my coursework, thoughts, discoveries, and experiences that occurred during my Master's of Educational Technology program through the University of British Columbia in a way that supports and promotes 21st century learning and skills. To begin, I chose the website building platform of Wix to help create this website. I've used it for numerous projects throughout the MET program and find it very user-friendly and able to support a variety of technology platforms I wanted to integrate throughout my portfolio. One of my favorite features on Wix is the parallax scrolling effect that you will see on each web page background. I was aiming for a clean and simple look and layout to showcase my work on this site. To personalize this portfolio, I integrated background pictures that are meaningful to me. Mountains and lakes, Kootenay Lake in particular, play an important role in my happiness and life, and so I sought out to get some local pictures for my site background from one of my talented friends and also from my talented aunt. On the home page, you will first find a little brief description about myself, and if you click on the Read More button, it will take you to some more facts about me and the certifications, qualifications, and teaching experience I have. In addition, at the bottom here, you will see some recent EdTech adventures that I have been a part of in my career and district. Back up here in the write-up, you will see a button that links to my favorite tech tools that I have encountered throughout the program with corresponding links. You will also see an assessment rubric that I have designed during ETEC 590, my graduating project, that serves as a rubric for this ePortfolio website and all of the components I aim to have. And finally, if you click on this Read More button, you will see that I have structured this ePortfolio around the theme of the BC Curriculum Core Competencies of Communication, Thinking, and Personal and Social Competencies. The core competencies are important cornerstones to our newly designed curriculum in BC as they support deep learning of new skills. You can either enter into the organization structure of this website through the Read More button that you saw me click on, or you can find the Competencies tab at the top of the menu bar and go to Introduction. For each competency, I have included a short video description to help understand what the competency represents. The communication competency. I have also indicated some highlights of projects featured in each section to entice you to explore. Clicking on the Explore tab from the introduction page will take you to that particular competency. Again, you can also navigate through the competencies using the Competency tab on the menu bar above. At the beginning of each competency page, you will find a write-up linking that particular competency to my time in the MET program, along with the growth I have displayed in each area. A fascinating tool I came across during my time in the MET program is called ThingLink. I have used this platform to compile my reflections and artifacts for this ePortfolio. These individual reflections collected in each competency were the results of collaborative projects and feedback from my MET classmates and professors. It was my goal to balance my personal experiences in these reflections with scholarly works that I encountered during each artifact. I have organized each ThingLink by using similar symbols for each competency. As you will be able to see, the star represents websites, the play button represents videos, the open book represents essays, and the circular dot here represents blog posts. If you hover over these symbols embedded in each thing link on each web page, you'll be able to find my corresponding reflection as well as view or navigate to the related artifact. For example, here with the star, you will find my digital portfolio's website. On the right here, I've got my reflection. And then, once you have read that, you can click on the star and enter into my digital portfolio website that I designed as a group project. If we navigate over to the thinking competency, you may be interested to watch my video here using the play button on the Daily 5 Integrating Technology as a stop motion animation. You can read through my reflection here, and you can also watch the embedded video right within the same window. Perhaps you may also like to check out one of my essays. Navigating to the open book symbol here, you again will see my reflection on this artifact and how it has enhanced my learning throughout the program. And then you will also be able to read through my essay on Google Docs here that is embedded directly into the same window. Next, I will navigate to the personal and social competency. And scrolling down here, I am going to show you here. We see this is going to be a blog post, and it's Cyber Traveling Reflections from ETEC 521. I've got my reflection that I have currently posted on this learning artifact. And if you would like to read the actual blog post, you can click the Read More button at the bottom of the reflection, where you will come to the blog portion of my ePortfolio, and you will be able to click on the reflection you would like to read and go through it. Although I was purposeful in the design of this ePortfolio to seamlessly integrate my courses in a non-linear fashion through the use of the competencies to show how coursework contributed to my learning in different areas and not just course by course, I have added a page called Site Contents to the About tab on the menu bar here that you can navigate to as well if you would prefer to view my learning course by course. Here you will see key terms and concepts bolded, organized per course, along with the competency that the course fits into and the links that will take you to that particular page. For example, you may notice that I encountered the new literacies and multi-literacies readings from Calantis and Cope and the New London group during my time in ETEC 510. You may also see that I was first exposed to the TPAC, Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge Framework, first in ETEC 511, and that I did encounter it many times throughout the MET program. I've created a blog tab to compile all of my blog posts featured in my portfolio in an organized way. I was able to backdate the posts to reflect the actual date that I posted during each course, and you're able to navigate through these posts by clicking the Read More button. By clicking on the Contact tab at the top here, this allows the viewer to contact me by email message if they have any questions or comments about my site. The credits section of this portfolio has my references listed in APA style. It also has my photography credits and personal acknowledgements I would like to make to important people who have played a huge role in my time during the MET program and making it successful. Finally, At the end here, you will see a forum tab. This is something new I've experimented with in Wix. And this is just a place for people to come to talk about educational technology. I've posted some topics that people can comment on right away, or they can start their own new thread. Thank you for visiting my site. I hope you enjoy it.